Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today we discuss about the encapsulation. The encapsulation in Java. Firstly, what is the encapsulation? The encapsulation, it is a process in which the code and the code and the data can together in a single unit. For example, our school bag. Our school bag can contain the our pen, water bag, books, and other notebooks. It is a example. Uh, when we create a fully encapsulation in a class of Java, it can be uh, making all the member of Java, all the member of class is private. That's why we can consider as it's a full encapsulation class. Then the why we use the encapsulation in our Java language. Firstly, the encapsulation can used to modify the code and the part of the easily without changing the code or other properties of the other code and a member. Then it can controls the it can controls the how the access the data from the other code and it can it can use to control how the data can be accessed in a code. It can make the application simply, and it is used to hide the value and state and it can use to hide the value or the state, the structure of data inside a class. We discuss some examples about that in real life. The school bag, it can contain all the books, pens, and the notebooks, or etc. And other example is our Gmail. Firstly, we can logging our Gmail in a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and other websites. We can log in it, but in a login process, the this process can be so long and heavy. We cannot be observe that, but in other side, this process can very long. It very long on the back end. You cannot see this when you cannot see this, but when you enter your password of the Gmail, it can be accessed easily, and that why it can access easily, and immediately our account is login into the website. It means that the number of procedures can be involved inside that, but we can see or observe that, but it can be load on the backend side, and it can be process working done on a backend. It means simply The it means simply the encapsulation can access the number of data variable methods inside one class, and it can have very long or large uh, large area. It means very long size of that class. So how do we implement the encapsulation in our Java language? Firstly, we can declare the instant of the class variable. We can declare the instant variable class in a private. That's why that variable cannot be accessed from out cannot I mean, it means we can declare the instant variable in class like as a private, because that's why we cannot be access these variables from outside the class. And the second method is we can use the getter and setter method, because it can use to modify the code and values. Then we discuss about some advantages of encapsulations. Firstly, encapsulation, it is a very easy method, and simply it can use mostly it can contain the number of methods and the number of variable and classes inside one unit. Then inside one unit, then we can keep the data and code secure from the external external we can keep the data private, and we can keep the data and code private from the external inheritance. It is used to maintain the maintainability. It is used to maintainability of the application, and it can be allows the modification of code or the part of code without changing the without breaking any other codes. The disadvantage of implement is it is a very large length. It have very large length. That's why it can contain a large amount of memory or storage in heap memory, and and it is the encapsulation can use to achieve the security about the code and the data present in our class, and it is very secure from the inheritance as a security condition. Then next is inheritance is used in a security program also, because it can store the secure data. It means the data can be secure, like example is our bank account. The bank account details can be important for our life, because the bank balance can be saved in that, like also the your ATM password and the credit card password. For example, is our bank account, our consider as a encapsulation method. The bank software is firstly the private class in bank, considered as a bank is a encapsulation class. Firstly, bank, and the bank balance is the private method, and the our bank balance uh, is a public method. It means the private method. Our bank balance can be private about our about only one person, and public, it means the our balance can show any other. It means the our main data can be hide uh, from the from the any other inside the class. It means then the encapsulation can hide the data or the value in a class, like as a bank balance,